everyone, welcome back. I'm starting on my second recipe on this Saturday before the game, and we're making some fried chicken strips with Cap'N Crunch. I need to get started, but first I need to put it in a baggie and just smash it into little pieces. So let me get started. And I got my apron on, so let's go. So I'm setting up a station. See, I have my flour, my egg, and then my Cap'N Crunch that I've started to smash into bits. That would be totally easier with a food processor, but a rolling pin it is today. And so I am just prepping chicken because once the oil gets hot, it's just gonna be much easier just to get these beautiful prepped chicken strips into the oil and hopefully just knock them out pretty quick, and then I'll put them right in here. So I've prepped some chicken right here, and I do have forks and I have a bunch of everything already kind of set out, but I find it easier just to use my hands. So I'm just going to be putting it in the flour. You can see it right there. And then you're gonna egg wash it and then dip it into the Cap'N Crunch. Now, Cap'N Crunch gives it a really yummy, sweet taste. Sweet crunch, and then there's some salt and pepper in the flour. Just a little salt and pepper just to give it a little bit more depth to the taste, which is so good. Now, this is my husband's invention of sorts. He came across this recipe, I don't know, over a decade ago, and he took it to a party at work and everybody loved it. And I'll tell you what, we do it every year for the Super Bowl because I don't know why we don't do it more than that, but it just seems like it's the perfect football food. Then starts the frying process. So I could probably put some more in there, but these are my first round, so to say. And I want to make sure they're cooking through. And then I'll put them on here, put them in this glass pan in which I will let them, cool down, wrap them up, and put them in the fridge so that tomorrow when we get back from church, all I have to do is kind of heat the whole thing up in the oven and make it ready for all of us to eat. And this, we also have a special sauce that we use. It's like a spicy, sweet, tangy sauce, which I will also make, or maybe Paul will make, one of us will make. And it is delicious. And I'll keep showing you some more. I do want to check the middle here using our thermometer from Housmile. I love this one. And I want to make sure it's reaching its internal temperature. Yep, it's almost there. These are looking delicious, tasting delicious. But that mesh, not so delicious, but worth it. The last part that we do with these yummy chicken, let me show you. They're turning out delicious. Is we make a copycat version of a winger sauce, which is pretty much just a few ingredients, but you'll just need some brown sugar and some Frank's hot sauce and water, and that's pretty much it. So it's that sweet and spicy, and Paul's gonna be back there cooking it up, and it's one of our favorite dipping sauces just for this. So you get sweet, crunchy, a little salty, you get spicy, it's all good. I see Yazzie. So this recipe for this sauce, I'll be putting it into the description box because it's just a few ingredients. Say hey, Yaz. I think all this chicken is like wafting, and they want to have some. Hi, Jonas. So here's the sauce. It's just going to come to a boil.
Yeah, it's got to heat up for a while. And then as soon as it comes to a boil, we have to turn the heat down because we don't want it to turn into candy. We've done that before.
It's yummy candy, though. No, this sauce is good. We'll follow directions.
Yeah, all the brown sugar has to dissolve. And then it's got to do that over medium heat. So just keep it on medium heat. You have to stir it continually, and then once it comes to a little boil, then you can stop.
And here's some of that yummy, yummy sauce. So we're gonna try it for the first time. Go ahead. What do you guys think?
That's good.
Oh my gosh, so good. Can't wait to have it tomorrow. This is what I'm storing the sauce in. It'll be in the refrigerator until tomorrow. When it's time to bring it out, all we have to do is put it in the microwave to heat it through, put a little ladle in it, and it'll go so yummy with those chicken strips back there. And I can't wait. They're gonna be so good. So there'll be some other recipes that'll be rolling out soon. I will be doing some tater skins, and that'll be sometime during the week. But remember, these recipes aren't just for game day. They are also for, you know, get-togethers, maybe some dinner. You want to try a new recipe. Feel free. They are so yummy. Don't wait for just the special moments. Have them today. Thanks for joining me by coming to the channel to see this wonderful recipe, and I'm so glad to be a part of this journey with you. Have a good evening, and click like, subscribe, make some comments. Tell me what your favorite football game snack is or treat that you've made from the last weekend. Let me know, and I'd love to try it at home. So stick around. I'll be rolling out some new recipes real soon. Have a great evening.